friendship.
Hi!
We're going to our
Siargao again. The most friendly island we've been to.
Yung aking local friend. Hi, welcome to my beautiful island.
You will be local soon.
So for today's video, mag-room tour kami ng aming place here in Siargao. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa loob, meron na po silang lemongrass. So kung pwede gusto nyo mag-tinola, available na. And when you enter, you will see this beautiful lab. Add more here. Hindi ako mag-inom. Bawal mag-inom. Kijali is a very private resort or villa in Siargao. So pag naghanap kayo ng something private, very cozy, and very, close to nature, ito yung best na resort or villas na pwede yung rentahan. At as you can see, ganda na kanilang mga aesthetics, very Bali vibes dito, no? And then yung kanilang swimming pool, medyo malapad talaga siya. It's very, quiet. So talagang makaka-relax kayo dito kasi alam mo naman, if you're in Siargao, you've been exposed to many people for the whole day for this time. Medyo quiet siya. The lampshade, kanilang chandelier. Pwede na kami magsalita here kasi it's very quiet. Very quiet yung hotel na to. So, nahiya naman ako na daling ko yung squatter na ugali ko dito sa Siargao. So, medyo tinone down natin ng very light para magmukha naman tayo, di ba? Kagalang-galang. So, this is our room. Dalawang bed siya. So, ayan. Kasi dalawa kami ng friend ko. So, ayan. This is Villa Kalahi Kajali Villa. So, magulang siya. Open siya ng 2023. So it's very spacious. One thing I love is this amazing cabinets na parang pwede mong daming ilagay pag mo big kayo groups. Look at that! Diba? Mas malaki pa to sa lagayin ko ng damit sa Manila. Lagayin ko sa damit sa Manila, SM plastic bag lang. But look at this! So ayan, dito pa tayo. And gusto ko rin yung kanilang malaki din yung kanilang bathroom. So, it's divided into two. The other side is the shower area, separated chairs in the middle. Ito yung kanilang sink, so like that. With the salamin here, and doon naman yung toilet bowl. So, yeah, it's a good hotel. For 4 times kung balik-balik sa Siargao, I can say that this is my second choice ng hotel na napuntahan ko. Siguro yung downside lang, it's not that far, hindi siya beachfront, but it's good kasi it's very quiet. If you guys are looking for a big space, quiet, private, it's very maganda yung kanilang design ng kanilang villas, and then the outside is lots of, plants and plantita. So it's a yes for me. So that's our videos for today, and see you soon more on our more videos to come. Thank you mga ka-afan!